Hey everyone, welcome back to my cooking channel. Today we are doing a quick, easy, and delicious breakfast because you can never go wrong with breakfast tacos. So let's jump right into it. These are so good, so easy to make, and I am sure your entire family is going to love them. In a saucepan, I'm going to add a bit of olive oil, just enough to fry up my tortillas for my tacos. I'm adding 4 tortillas here. I'm going to lightly fry them on both sides. And here you're going to do as many as you want. So depending on how many tacos you're making, that's the first thing you're going to do. You're going to fry up all of your tortillas. You're making 10 tacos. Fry up 10 tortillas and then go ahead and set those to the side while we create the rest of our filling, and then you can assemble them and they are ready to serve. Alright, once you've fried up all of the tortillas that you're going to be using, then you're going to add a little bit more olive oil to your saucepan. Get that mixed in. Your saucepan should already be pretty hot from you frying up your tortillas. Then you're going to go in with your favorite type of sausage, and then you're going to go in with garlic. I have a bit of green bell pepper and onion. I switch it up honestly. Today I'm using this beef kielbasa, but you can also use like hot dog weenies, or you can use a different type of sausage. You can even use hot links. Any type of sausage that you like, you can totally substitute in this recipe and it will still be as delicious. So I went ahead and diced them up. You can see on the screen about the size that I added. I want to get those kind of in the pan, get them warmed up, and then I'm going to add my vegetables, and I'm just going to fry these up lightly, moving them back and forth a little bit. I know this may seem like it has a little bit too much oil, but don't forget you're also adding enough oil to saute this plus the eggs that you're going to be incorporating with your sausage and your vegetables. I'm going to lightly season the sausage and veggies with some pink Himalayan salt and a bit of fresh ground pepper. I like to season every step as I go. This ensures that my entire meal has plenty of seasoning and flavor. Once I've gotten a good little sear on the sausages here, I am going to turn the heat down, and then I'm going to start adding my eggs. Now keep in mind the amounts of sausage and the amount of eggs is all going to depend on how many breakfast tacos you are trying to assemble. Obviously, the more tacos you're going to make, you might want to double this recipe. For this particular recipe, I made this for myself and my 2 oldest kiddos. So I did about 6 eggs. And that was plenty for me to make about 6 tacos. I like to usually do about 1 egg per taco. That really ends up helping me create my recipes. A splash of heavy whipping cream. All this is going to do is going to help those eggs kind of fluff up really nicely and give them a bit more texture. And I'm going to kind of whisk that in there a bit and mix it in pretty roughly so that the heavy whipping cream kind of gets moved a lot so that it does its job. As you can see, I'm mixing, I'm folding, I'm mixing and folding, mixing and folding until my eggs are just about cooked all the way through. Right before they cook all the way, then I'm going to go in with some cheese and let that kind of cook into the eggs as well, and then melt into the rest of the dish. I've gone ahead and shut off my fire source here because I don't want to overcook any of my eggs. And the pan is still going to be hot enough for the cheese to melt. You can add whatever your favorite cheese is. Here I am using a 4-cheese Mexican blend. So it has a couple of different cheeses, gives it a really nice flavor, and it just goes really well when I make breakfast tacos. This is the cheese that I pretty much add to everything. I'm going to fold it into my eggs, and then I'm going to let it sit for maybe a couple of minutes, 2 to 3 minutes, just to make sure that the cheese is melted all the way through, and then it's time to assemble our tacos. I like to pretty much fill the taco shell If I feel that the tortillas are not warm, they've kind of gone a little cold on me, I will literally throw this plate directly into the microwave for all of like 10 seconds. Just to warm up the tortilla if you find that it's gone a little cold while you made everything else. Queso Fresco is a must, so delicious. A little extra cheese never hurt anybody. And then you can top the rest with whatever your little heart desires. I usually always go in with fresh made salsa because that is how we do. And then because that's not hot enough, I like to add a little bit of hot sauce. We usually do either Valentina or we'll do Tapatio or Cholula. Whatever your favorite is not going to change the deliciousness of these tacos. It's just going to make it even better because you're going to be using stuff that you like in your particular tacos. That is it, guys. Easy, simple, delicious breakfast for the entire family. I hope that you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you do, let me know in the comments below, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.